Good day everyone. In Module 2, which is Western European Philosophy of Management, shows in 2021 confronts the questions on whether business management should focus primarily on maximizing profits, on whether ethical principles should guide managerial decisions. The authors answers that the management should always be grounded in ethics while profitability is necessary for the organizational survival. Managers also have responsibilities to employees, customers, commodities, and other stakeholders. Ethical leadership is therefore an essential part of effective management. He means to say that good management should not judge successfully by principal results. Instead, they should make decisions that are honest, fair, responsible, and respectful of the rights and the well-being of others. He justifies this claim by giving the following examples and explanations. And imagine the company discovers that of its products that has safety defect. Although recalling the product would be expensive, the company chooses to remove it from the market to protect the consumers. This shows that the ethical responsibility should take price over the short term from financial gain, because public trust and human welfare are more valuable in the long run. In the face of Shaw's argument, I argue that philosophy of management should balance ethical values with sound business judgment. Organizations success over time when they combine integrity with effective decision making. In other words, I believe that managers should pursue organizational goals without compromising honesty, fairness, or accountability. To be fair, other thinkers argue differently, stating that the primary responsibility of managers is to maximize profits for owners and shareholders, provided they operate within the law. They mean that financial performance is the main measure of success, and ethical concerns are secondary with legal requirements are satisfied. To this, I reply that legality alone does not always guarantee ethical behavior. Managers should consider how decisions affect people, society, and organizations in the long-term reputations. To illustrate this one, take this case of the manager who chooses to invest in employee training and safe working conditions. Even though it increases short-term cost, employees become more skilled, motivated, and loyal, leading to a higher productivity and stronger organizational performance. This case reveals that ethical management creates trust, strengthens relationship, and contributes to the sustainable success. Therefore, philosophy of management is not merely a theory but a practical guide that helps managers make responsible and effective decisions. So starting today, as a manager, I will lead with integrity, treat people fairly, making ethical decisions, and strives to achieve both organizational success and a common good. Thank you.